Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 3 of class 6th, and the name of chapter is Human Body. Students, in this chapter we are going to discuss about different system in the human body. Like we have to discuss digestive system, we have to discuss respiratory system, we have to discuss circulatory system, and at last we have to discuss nervous system. Now students, human body, you all know about the body, it is made up of cells. At the basic level, the body is made up of cells, and you all know these cells, they differentiate or divide to form tissue. Again, these tissues, they divides and differentiates and forms organ. Further these different organs, they form the organ system of the body, and finally individual is formed, or the body of the organism is complete. Now students, firstly see, human beings, they need food for the survival as well as to get energy to perform various activities in the daily life. Now what happens from the act of taking in of food up to the digestion of food and its assimilation and utilization? We will go through these steps one by one, and in the digestive system we will further study all the process in detail. Before that, you can see here the topic process of nutrition. Now students, this process of nutrition, what actually nutrition is? It is a way of taking in of food and utilization of that food for the growth and development of the body. So nutrition is a process of intake. Now you all know that the body require balanced diet so that the body can get all the essential nutrients for its proper growth and the development. If the body is lacking any nutrient in the diet, then the body suffers from deficiency diseases. Now students, see, organisms, they obtain nutrition and they have different methods of obtaining the nutrition. Now in case of human beings, you can see here, these are the steps by which the human nutrition is completed. Now first you can see ingestion, second is digestion, third absorption, fourth assimilation, and fifth is egestion. Now see, what does these means? You can see here ingestion, it is act of getting and eating food, means how we are getting the food and how we are eating that food, and this process, it takes place through the mouth. Means the process of ingestion, it takes place through the mouth. Second is digestion. Now see, digestion is the food which we have taken in, it is in complex form, and the breaking down of that complex food into simpler soluble molecules is known as digestion, and the process of digestion, it starts in the mouth and is completed in the stomach. Third is absorption. Now once these complex molecules, they have been broken down into soluble molecules, they gets digested and they passes into the body fluids like blood, and they circulates in complete body. Now this absorption, the process of absorption, it takes place in the small intestine. Next, the fourth step is assimilation. Now what happens student? Assimilation, this is utilization. Once the food get absorbed in the body, that food is utilized by the body for producing energy and for the proper growth and the development of the body. Now at last, the fifth step, which is egestion. What happens? The undigested food material which remains in the body is thrown out of the body, and this process is known as egestion. So students, in human beings, the process of nutrition, it takes place by the following 5 methods. So next topic which we are going to start is the digestive system. And in the digestive system, we will go through all these steps in details.